Fanatics, welcome to Diamond Painting Fanatics. I am Cindy and I have an unboxing for you today from a new company to me. They're not new, but to me they are new. Purchased in the UK. I believe that's this order. Let's dig in and find out if I am right first of all, because I am not 100% sure. It's the only one I'm waiting on, I believe. Yes, okay, so it is. This is from Row Diamonds. I ordered this on the 11th of February and they told me it had shipped out on the 13th. Today is now the 20th? Yes, 20th today. But this wasn't actually shipped out until the 16th, as I can see by the stamp. So let's take a look. Oh, that's disappointing. I have two cover minders. This one I have purchased. How cute is she? And I have a unicorn one. This, I'm assuming, is free because I didn't order this one. But look at that. This one I ordered. Cute. Okay, so first impressions. It's like a Huacan with the elastic band around double-sided adhesive. Toolkit, tweezers, clear pen with a blue squishy, round tray of pink wax, a couple of the thicker multi-placers, and a funnel tray. Okay. Oh, I did order ABs for this one. It's a 40 by 50. Comes in baggies, which I like. Look at them sparkly ABs. Okay, so I can't. Wow. Okay. That's not a good start, is it? Can we see that? Oh dear. And where are we? Lovely. I won't get off the canvas either. Yeah, and look at that great big river running down that. The picture is this way. Let's see if I can just. Let me just lift you guys up. Are you ready? Okay, so there we go. This is a UK company. Right, are we all in? So I have a great big river running all the way through the canvas here. Now the picture is, this, but now my picture is going to be this way. It's the legend is printed right, there we go. That's my legend here. We have 45 colours, but it should be this way because my picture is not, my picture does not go this way. Okay, look at that great big river down that. I have paintbydiamond.co.uk, Facebook Row Diamonds, Instagram Row Diamonds, hashtag Row Diamonds, but this one's Paint by Diamond. And then here we have the Row Diamond logo. But yes, my canvas will be going this way. I think it goes this way. Let's peel it back. Okay, it doesn't matter. Maybe it does go this way. No, it does. Okay, I'm going from the bottom. Hang on. So it goes this way. Oh dear. There's a great big river in there. As you can see. Let's zoom out. So she's pretty, but this is a big spoiler for me. It's the first time I've ordered from this company. I'm not overly impressed. I paid for this canvas, which is 40 by 50, and this cover minder, I paid £30 and 40 pence. Double-sided adhesive, I can work with it. I'm not the biggest fan of it because of this. This is what you get with double-sided adhesive. Now, it came in a box, a Chinese box. Instructions. But the box is okay, it's in good condition. No reason why that should have happened. Ordered on the 11th. Oh, there's a picture here, look, on the bottom of the box. But this is what, zoom you in. There you go, that's what I ordered. 40 by 50 square drills with ABs. And another hair that's not mine, it's stuck in there. Nice. Yeah, I'm a little disappointed, you can probably tell. I have a lot of overhang on the edge, barely any that side. But it's this that is troubling me. It might be okay, you can sort them easily enough, but for £30 I shouldn't have to. They told me it shipped on the 13th, which was a Sunday, so I thought that was odd, being a UK company. They post by Royal Mail, but it was actually posted on the 16th. Which is the 4 days they say that it arrives by. So it's now actually not late because the postage stamp said it was posted on, I'm going to put the cover sheets on this anyway, but yeah, I'm just disappointed, I guess. That's going to be deep, that to sort out. A little bit disappointed, guys. I think perhaps I am just spoilt now. But yeah, the legend is going across the top, not down the side. And all this advertising should be down here. So there you go, that is my unboxing for Road Diamonds. I'm just going to check these out while I'm at it because, oh, that's cute. They've put a tiny little Road Diamonds sticker on there for quality checked. What colour shall we choose? Should we go dark green? Let's have a look, guys. Might as well go the whole hog. All seem the same size. That's good. Happy with that. They are all the same size and sit side by side. But yeah. And they come with their 29, should be 33.63, yeah. So that's all good. So what do we have? 45 colours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Wow. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. I'm just going to show you some of these. These are pretty. If I can get in the bag. See, they're pretty. Let's just zoom you back out and pull you down a little bit. And up. So there you go, they're the ABs, which means they have a coating on the top of them. But that's pretty. But yeah, I was a little bit upset, to be honest, because it's got that massive river in it. And you can see it's a river because it's creased in the back of the canvas. Which, I do say to you guys, nothing is unfixable. But I just begrudge fixing it when I shouldn't have to. But all the colours are there. Some bags are like really sparse. But that's just the pattern, that's fine. I mean, but but yeah, that is my purchase from, I mean, this is cute. I love this. Let's have a look at her. There you go, look at that. Wow, it's really strong. Oh, look how cute she is. But yeah, I was looking forward to doing my fairy painting with my fairy cover mind. It's very nice. I got a unicorn one too. That's really sweet. I love unicorns. But yes, this, I am a little disappointed with that. I don't even know if putting a book on it is going to help it any. Because I don't often, it's going to need a little bit of TLC, this canvas. But there you see, where I'm pressing down on it, it's making it deeper. So yeah, goes all the way across there. But there you go, guys. Other than my legend being across the top and not down the side, and the advertising logos not being down here, because this, if you can see, it's through there, look, you can see that's where her face is. So the legend is going across here rather than down here where it needs to be, or that side. and then the advertising on the bottom. But there you go, that is my thoughts, opinions on my unboxing for my Rose Diamonds order. And for my little Coverminder fairy. And that was £30 and 40p. I do believe they do free postage. But there you go. And I ordered it on the 11th. They said they'd shipped it out on the 13th, but it was actually the 16th. So they said it was on Saturday, but it was actually on Tuesday. And then I got it today, which is Saturday the 20th of February. But yeah, you can tell I'm not as excited as I normally am. And I was hoping I'd found another decent, good UK company, but in my opinion, would I order from them again? We'll see when we finish it, how it all looks. But yeah, this doesn't make me very happy. And I mean, look at this. And I'm niggling now, I know, but this is where the legend is, but the picture is facing the right way. So it's like the legend's going down. Why can't they face? Do you see what I mean? But I'm going to have to put my cover sheets on that and try to rescue that river out of here. And then I've got a couple of strandy hairs in my canvas. Thank you for watching, guys. I appreciate it. I love you lots, and I shall see you in another video very, very soon. Leave your thoughts down below, please. Lots of love, lots of hugs and sparkles to you all.